I have ADHD, and my tendency to overthink has turned me into an explorer, constantly searching for different meditation techniques to find inner peace. I'd like to invite you to join me on this journey, to experience a sense of joy that does not rely on external achievements, but simply by being yourself. In this video, we will explore Ānāpānasati, a meditation technique taught by the Buddha himself. So, what is Ānāpānasati? In the ancient Pāli language, its meaning is beautifully simple. Anapana means inhalation and exhalation, while sati means mindfulness. So it's literally mindfulness of breathing. The Buddha taught this for practicing both calm and insight. Anapanasati is recommended as a practice for cultivating the 7 factors of awakening. As these factors develop, they gradually lead to freedom from dukkha, or suffering, and eventually lead to nirvana, liberation from all suffering. Let's explore how to practice Ānāpānasati. The Buddha recommended going to the forest, sitting beneath a tree, and simply observing the breath. While it's wonderful if you can find the forest, but it's not available to everyone. So here is how anyone, anywhere, at any time can practice it. Sit back with your legs crossed, or use a chair if that's more comfortable. Keep your back upright and your chest open, but not puffed. Rest your hands on your thigh. Tilt your head slightly downward and close your eyes. If that's not possible, keep them half open. Let your breath flow naturally. Don't force it. Relax your body while keeping your mind alert, focused, and steady. Alright guys, it sounds exciting. Let's explore it. What an experience that was. Let's talk about how I felt when practicing Ānāpānasati. I fell asleep for a moment, but the emotions, they're gone. Nothing is in my mind right now. I feel peaceful, but not fully focused, however. It was hard for me to notice my breath when I wasn't actually forcing or controlling it. That's okay, we'll get better. My mind feels relaxed, but I think I need to be a little bit stricter on myself and the fact that I really lose focus sometimes. So I'm just telling it to you, if you're doing the same practice and you just find yourself daydreaming about whatever happened in the day or yesterday, don't worry, it's fine. Frankly, I feel detached from the world. All of those news, problems, conflicts, arguments, they're all gone for a few minutes. And I cannot say that I'm really happy, but I'm truly peaceful. I cannot feel any negative emotions. By the way, guys, if you like the content of this video and want to learn more about ancient meditation techniques for a happier life, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and hitting the notification bell to be updated when the new technique is available. Similar to the other days, I really feel lightheaded and there's a deep absence of emotions, specifically for like the first 2 to 3 minutes. So you can really enjoy it. That's just an amazing experience. But the only problem was after the 10th minute, I was completely paralyzed, so I couldn't really focus and I was fatigued. So I checked my phone. Alright guys, as you already know, I have reduced the timing to exactly 8 minutes. Now I must tell you, it's the perfect time for me at least. I feel extremely peaceful, relatively focused, without being dazzled. What a journey that was. Let's talk about the optimal duration. No matter your level, everyone can start small and gradually build up by adding 1 minute every other day. Absolute beginners can start with 2 minutes, intermediates with 5 minutes, and advanced practitioners with 10 minutes. And if you consider yourself a master, make sure to write your opinion in the comment section down below. I'd be eager to learn from you. So here is my honest review of Ānāpānasati, based on 4 criteria: focus, peace, relevance to today's society, and ease of practice. Did Ānāpānasati cure my overthinking and give me laser focus? No. But the process of redirecting thoughts helped me think more clearly and improved my focus indirectly. Hence, I'd give it a 7 out of 10 for focus. But what about peace? That's a solid 9 out of 10. The practice didn't get rid of my stressful thoughts, but it created a space around them. I started to notice the tiny gap between something happening, like a frustrating email, and my emotional reaction to it. Relevance to today's society? Definitely high. 8 out of 10. With so much stress from news, conflicts, and everyday pressures, creating inner calm is more necessary than ever. Ease of practice? I would give it a 7 out of 10. The technique itself is really simple. You just need to find a place to sit and be conscious of your breathing. But actually being mindful of your breath for such a long amount of time can be very challenging at first. Overall, based on my experience, I rate this technique a 31 out of 40. An impressively high score, specifically if you're looking for practice for cultivating inner peace. It won't make you a productive machine. It wasn't the magic cure I was hoping for. It was even better. It was a practical path to sanity in a world that is screaming for our attention.